Kickstart your day, healthy breakfasts for weight loss. Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the top 5 healthy homemade breakfasts that can help you lose weight. We're talking about food with flavor, texture, and ingredients that pack a punch. Listen, breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and it's time to ditch those sugary cereals and greasy fast food abominations. It's time to fuel your body with the good stuff, the kind of breakfast that sets you up for success. We're talking about meals that are delicious, nutritious, and yes, even a little bit indulgent. Over the next few minutes, we're going to transform your breakfast routine. We're going to show you how to make healthy eating a habit, not a chore. Let's get started. Greek glory, power up with protein. First up, we've got Greek yogurt with berries and nuts. This isn't some sad, watery excuse for yogurt. This is thick, creamy Greek yogurt. We're talking high protein, low sugar, the kind of breakfast that will keep you feeling full and satisfied until lunchtime. Don't even think about skimping on the toppings. We're talking fresh berries, bursting with flavor and antioxidants, and a sprinkle of nuts for crunch and healthy fats. Why does this work? Because protein, my friends, is the king of satiety. It keeps you fuller for longer, preventing those mid-morning cravings that send you running for the biscuit tin. Oatmeal revolution. Fuel up with fiber. Next up, we've got oatmeal. But hold on, don't you dare reach for those sugary instant packets. We're talking about steel-cut oats, the real deal. The kind that sticks to your ribs and gives you sustained energy throughout the morning. We're talking about fresh fruit, a drizzle of honey, a sprinkle of cinnamon, maybe even a few chopped nuts for good measure. Fiber is your secret weapon in the battle against the bulge. It keeps you regular, helps control blood sugar levels, and keeps you feeling full and satisfied. So ditch those sugary cereals and embrace the power of oatmeal. Chapter 3. Now let's talk about green smoothies. A green smoothie is like a rocket fuel for your body, packed with nutrients and flavor. We're talking spinach, avocado, a squeeze of lemon, maybe a bit of ginger for a kick. Blend it all up with some water or unsweetened almond milk, and you've got yourself a breakfast that's as refreshing as it is healthy. Green smoothies are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. So ditch the sugary juice and give your body the fuel it deserves. Chapter 4. Next, we've got avocado toast. Now, I know what you're thinking. Avocado toast? That's so basic. But listen up, because this isn't just any avocado toast. We're talking about perfectly ripe avocado, mashed onto a slice of toasted whole grain bread. A sprinkle of sea salt, a crack of black pepper, maybe a squeeze of lime juice, if you're feeling fancy. And here's the kicker, a poached egg. Cooked to perfection, with that runny yolk just waiting to be mopped up by the creamy avocado. Avocados are loaded with healthy fats, the kind that actually help you lose weight. They're also a good source of fiber and protein, making this a breakfast that will keep you feeling full and satisfied for hours. Chapter 5. Finally, we've got a quinoa breakfast bowl. This is for those of you who want it all. Protein, fiber, healthy fats, and a whole lot of flavor. We're talking about cooked quinoa, fluffy and light, topped with your favorite veggies. Think roasted sweet potatoes, sautéed mushrooms, wilted spinach, whatever your heart desires. Then we're adding a poached egg for protein, a drizzle of olive oil for healthy fats, and a sprinkle of herbs for freshness. This breakfast bowl is a nutritional powerhouse, providing you with all the energy and nutrients you need to conquer your day. There you have it. 5 healthy and delicious breakfast recipes that will help you lose weight and kickstart your day. Remember, breakfast is the most important meal of the day. It sets the tone for your entire day. A healthy breakfast gives you energy, improves your focus, and helps you make better food choices throughout the day. So ditch those sugary cereals and greasy breakfast sandwiches and start your day the right way. Your body will thank you for it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more healthy eating tips and recipes.